Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode. I don't know how to call it as. I would say this is a big scam. You decide at the end of the video whether this is a scam or not, or you want to be a part of it or not, for you to decide actually. So first let me give you the background. I'm a positional trader, and normally I take a position, 1 month before. I sell some 18,000 call option, 16,000 put option, wait for one whole month, as long as it's trading between 16,000 and 18,000, so I make some money. But of late, the markets have been very, very highly volatile. So I'm not been making profit. It is a very, very difficult period. In fact, 2008 Lehman Brothers collapse, 2020 coronavirus, I think this is a third bad year for me. But then I thought, so what I can do? Okay, then I came across intraday short straddle. So people take intraday short straddle at 9:20 or 9:25. Different people take at different point of time. They put a stop loss on both the sides, so all those kind of things. What happened? I tried that. So I found few interesting things, and that is what I actually wanted to share with you. Number one, if I'm selling 18,000 call, 16,000 put 1 month ahead, I just pay only one brokerage and then one STT, one stamp duty. The problem in intraday, every day we go in, we come out. So every day we pay STT, every day we pay stamp duty and those kind of things, plus brokerage. There are two types of things are going on. And some people say we are developing a bot for you, and they're selling the bot, and they're charging somewhere around 2,000, 3,000 rupees. And I do not know, because I find that, so like the profits made here is less. I won't say that there will be no profit, but definitely there is a profit, but it is less, and the charges are very, very high. And there are some people who manage the money for others. And I'm particularly going to talk about them only in this video. And what these people do, they come to the social media, so they post a lot of profits. I made so much profit, I made so much profit. I will tell you later how it is misleading. And then, many people approach them, sir, you manage my money, so I will give you 50 lakh, I give you 1 crore, a lot of people. I know a number of people in India managing more than 100 crore. So in this scheme. And what is the modus operandi? I won't say how they cheat the clients, but how they are taking the clients for a royal ride. So that's what I'm going to show you. What these people do, they go and sell at the money call option and at the money put option in the morning, and 1,000 point or 1,500 point away, they also buy options for hedging. I'm just going to show you a the margin calculator. So I just put it here. Bank Nifty 39,100 call option sell, 39,100 put option sell, and then 1,000 point away, 1,000 point below and above, you buy an option. The system saying the margin money is about 54,928, around 55,000. So let us take it as a 60,000 rupees. Do one short straddle and plus buy options both the sides, what the people call iron fly. So it costs only about 60,000 rupees. Now I'm going to give you the detail. So assume that you appoint a fund manager and you give 10 lakh rupees to the fund manager. So what the fund manager will tell you, I will manage your money and I will execute this trade. I know what time I have to go in and what time I have to come out. What these people do not tell you, they charge anywhere from 10 rupees to 12 rupees as the brokerage per lot, and a lot of that money going to them as a sub-broking amount. So I'm just going to give you one simple example, and look here. Assume that your capital is 10 lakh rupees. You are giving 10 lakh rupees to the fund manager, and what he does, one lot is about 60,000 rupees. With the 10 lakh rupees, he can actually do 17 or 18 lots. But I'm assuming that he's taking only 15 lots. So 15 lots mean what? 15 lots of call sell, 15 lots of put sell, and that is a short straddle. Then for hedging, 15 lots call buy, 15 lots put buy. What happens this totally? This becomes 60 lots. So in the morning, he set up a trade with a 60 lots. Then in the afternoon, before 3:30, he square up the same positions while taking 60 lots, while squaring up 60 lots. So 60 plus 60, the total number of lots is 120 lots. In this 120 lots, assuming that is charging 12 rupees as the brokerage, so he is charging only 1,440 rupees as the brokerage per day. This is per day, remember. What happens, sometimes markets move, they also tend to move the strike prices. Assume that I have done 39,000 straddle, market moves 200 point higher, I will close this position, I will take another position. This may lead to some additional brokerage of about 360 rupees. Why I put 360 rupees, very small money, because they may not be doing every day this one. They may have to do this few times. So that means totally 1,800 rupees is gone from your account as a brokerage, and that translates into 4,50,000 rupees per annum, assuming that there are 250 trading sessions. Out of your money 10 lakh rupees, 4,50,000 has gone in terms of brokerage. But when they put it on the social media, I made so much profit, and believe me, they will not be paying 12 rupees as the brokerage, and I will tell you, they will not be even paying 1 rupee as the brokerage. Every time, if they negotiate or if they are trading with some discount broker who is charging 10 rupees per order, if they put 50 lots at a time, so their brokerage will work out to be 10 paisa or 20 paisa. So this 45,000 for in their own account, it may be 1,000 rupees, not 4,50,000 rupees. At the end of every month, okay, these fund managers can show you, I made 3% return, I made 4% return. That's because they don't pay brokerage. But if you give the money to them, after paying this lot of brokerages, and you will be in minus. And is this the only problem? No. 4,50,000 is gone in terms of brokerage, but people do at the money short straddle. So at the money short straddle, the premium will be high. If the premiums are high, STT stamp duty will be high. I also do pay STT stamp duty, but if I take one position now, close after 1 month, and I pay 1 STT. But intraday, every day you pay STT, every day you pay stamp duty. So that will approximately work out to be another 3 lakh rupees. And not only that, if so many people give the money to one person, if that one person execute the order, then what is the volume? As I told you, I know many people in India who are handling more than 100 crore. And see, 100 crore, how much the order can go. So naturally, what will happen? So these people, they will put their order first. And after that only, other people's order will come. A fund manager is already managing about 50 clients. You are going as a 51st client. The fund manager's order will go first. Then after that, the remaining 50 clients, your order will go 51st client. So that definitely there will be slippage. And because our market depth is not so good, so definitely there will be slippage. That slippage alone, I am very sure it will be more than 3 lakh rupees. But conservatively, I put that slippage as a 2.5 lakh rupees. Brokerage, 4,50,000 gone. Other charges, STT stamp duty, 3 lakh gone. Then slippage, 2,50,000 gone. So that means how much total gone? 10 lakh rupees is gone. You have given only 10 lakh rupees. In one whole year, 10 lakh is gone, and 4,50,000 go to the broker, of which at least 4 lakh will go to the fund manager. A fund manager who is managing 100 crore, okay, I will tell you, he will make 40 crore rupees as the brokerage. And whatever beyond that market is giving, and that he will give it to you. Out of that also, he will ask you to pay 25% and 30% sharing. You see, at the end of the day, who makes money, right? Nobody can make money 40 crore per annum except a fund manager who is managing more than 100 crore and through this scheme. And then 30,000 rupees is going to STT stamp duty. That's a government takes away. Of course, that we cannot avoid it. And then slippage, another 2.5 lakh is gone. But when the same fund manager, when he put his profit and loss in YouTube or social media, Facebook or Twitter, okay, he will be showing profit. Why? Because he is not going to pay 4.5 lakh rupees brokerage, and he is not going to pay 2.5 lakh rupees for slippage. So that alone will add up to 70%. You can go and give the money to any fund manager and who is showing more than 70% return per annum, because more than 70% what he makes, only that will be coming to you. Of course, this 3 lakh rupees other charges, no, the fund manager also has to pay, and everybody has to pay. So I am leaving that. Remember, there is no easy money in stock market. If there is easy money, and the broker will take away. If there is easy money, government will take away. And if anything is left, your fund manager will take away everything. And then what you get at the end of the day is a peanut. And if there is a loss, the loss is for you. And if there is a profit, so out of 100 crore, 40 crore will go to fund manager, and remaining whatever is there, you will after the slippage and other charges, you will get some money. This is something interesting, and I realized all these things only after I started trading in my own account. Just to summarize, if you are giving money to somebody else and you will be making them rich, just imagine people getting 40-50 crore richer, and beyond that anything comes that they are willing to share something with you. It's for you to decide whether you want to give your money to other people, especially to trade in stock market. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.